Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Hello Macau people. Patane Market, ocean views. Those are the two keywords here. Let me just set this video up just for a moment. This is the map that we're at. We're right on the water. This is called the Inner Harbor. You can see China on the other side. And in this particular video, I went into the wet market, but it was closed. And security had me sign in, and then somebody just offered to guide me around. And I think I didn't want to video their face, you know, because I had to sign in and things like that. So you might hear a voice. That voice is kind of like a guide to show me around some of the stuff that I should see in the market. And I didn't film the wet market itself because it was closed and nobody was there. And anyways, nonetheless, that's the background story where you're going to hear a voice. This is the location of the map, and we're going to go up and down to the street level and get some views of the ocean so you can get an idea of what Macau looks like from this vantage point. Anyways, nonetheless, let's get into Macau. Patane Market. Okay, so we have Macau right here. So this is Macau, and then on the other side is Zhuhai, China. And we're kind of along this little waterfront area. This is, I think they call it the Inner Harbor, this whole space. So we're going to be walking down into street level, but we're just going to start up here and just kind of show you the view from this parking garage. All right. Oh yeah. So yeah, the Inner Harbor of Macau. So we're going to take an elevator and go down so we can see it from ground level. In case you're curious, it's kind of cool. Some pretty amazing views right in this area. So we're going to go down and show you one of these streets down in this area of Macau. All these tall buildings everywhere. And then on this side we have the ocean. So at least you get a perspective of where we are exactly. Yeah. They're doing a lot of changes in Macau, so I wonder if this will be more visible in the future. Because at the moment, a lot of times in Macau, you don't really feel like you're so close to the ocean like that. Because usually you're kind of in the middle of these kind of things. Okay, so let's go down and check it all out a little bit further. More closer examination. So right there, that's a James Bond ship. That's they have a replica in the Cotai Strip.
The color white?
Yeah.
That one is a custom.
Oh, that ship? In that one right there, that one used to be in a James Bond movie.
The one like a restaurant?
Yeah, the casino.
Yeah, that one is a floating casino before.
Yeah.
And then turned into restaurant, and now it's abandoned.
Yeah.
It's not used.
And they have the replica in Cotai Strip in Lisboa.
Yeah.
A new one.
Yeah. Because this one before, maybe about 25 years ago, that was placed in Hong Kong.
Oh,
and then moved here in 2016.
Oh,
and then moved here.
Oh, then it stays there.
Yeah. Now it's not used.
Then you got all the ships everywhere in here. I'll just kind of... And now over here we got a ton of ships. And this is all part of the Inner Harbor, right?
Yeah, this one is a fishing resort.
Oh, fishermen?
Yeah, this one is fishing boats.
Oh, okay. And you got Macau Tower in the background way over there as well. And this is the Pont 31A.
Yeah.
And then we have the city right over on the other side.
Yes. Red Market.
And the Red Market is right here, which is open only from 12 to 6 to 12. Morning until, yeah.
It's open from around 6:30 until around 1 p.m.
Oh.
Actually, the market is open, but the stalls are closed.
Oh.
No one's because no people come here. That's why.
Yeah. And there's a food court up here. There's Japanese cuisine.
Japanese food. There is a Thailand food.
Thailand food.
Yeah, the other side. But most of them are Chinese food.
Wow.
Only one for
I didn't know this was even here.
food.
Is this new?
It was open last March.
Wow, I didn't know. I didn't know that they had this here. And there's a Japanese
This was
one.
renovated and then only opened last March again. I think March 28th.
Oh. This is really nice. It's a nice market. It's a nice restaurant. I'm kind of surprised. Then there's a Thai restaurant right here. And then you got the views of the water over that way. So now we have the view of Camões Park right there, and we have Lisboa way in the background, and this Grand Lisboa Casino. We have maybe we can see Gia Hill. Maybe is that Gia Hill way over there? Maybe.
Yes, yes.
And then we have this major road right up here, and some hotels. I think that's a hotel in the foreground. So now you can see, and I think you can see. Yeah, that's all Patane. There's a temple over there. And then on this side we have the ocean. Amazing. Chuhai is over on that side. Pretty nice. So this is the name right here, and she was just telling me that Mercado do Patane. So this is kind of refurbished, so it's all new, and I don't want to film inside of the market. It's actually closed right now, but they'll sell all kinds of stuff in there. And now we can see the street level. So I'm going to keep this video a little bit short, but I guess what I will do is just go around to where those ships are at. Yeah, that's the Patane Market up there, and then we have all kinds of ships that are in here as well. And I'm just gonna go down a little bit more, and then we're gonna end the video. Yeah, now you can see this, how cool these ships are. So you got all these ships out on the ocean, and yeah, Macau has been bringing in ships since the Portuguese, even before, of course, but many during the Portuguese era. Our Patane Market is up there, and then this is the neighborhood that is near, and this is called Patane itself. And I think I'm gonna just probably end it right about in this area. I think there's like a really good view in here somewhere. There it is right there. So that has like this amazing view. That door is always open, but it could go, it's like open right up into the ship. Amazing. So yeah, Patane Market and Patane, and we'll just come over here real quick, and then we're gonna find a spot just to film the ships a little bit, and then I guess we're gonna end the video. There we go. So now you got another slice of Macau, and you can kind of see like, oh, that's nice. That little, oh, really cool. Okay, so on that note, we're gonna end our video.
Yeah.